Hey everyone, Dr. Rodman with Sports Chiropractic, and today we're talking about the topic of maintenance care. How often should I be treated, and what is maintenance care? Maintenance care is coming in without an injury to avoid an injury. And basically what happened, there was a great study last year that came out that compared people that came in for maintenance care versus people that came in for reactive care or coming in when they had an injury. And this was over a 12-month period. And they found that over the 12 months, the people that came in for maintenance care had an average of 14 days, 2 weeks less severe back pain than the people that came in only for reactive care. So, we get this question a lot: how often do I need to come in? And that's a great question. A lot of people, when they come in, when they're just hurt, unfortunately what happens is it takes a few visits to get them better. When they come in, when they're not hurt, one visit, we may not have to see somebody for a long time because we found things that might have been brewing, some muscle tightness, some joint misalignments, and we actually lengthened and relaxed the muscles and realigned the joints so things are biomechanically moving in a better situation, and that avoids an injury. So I believe that people that do come in for maintenance care have less visits to a chiropractor during the year. So I think that was an excellent study. So, we understand that life is very busy. A lot of people sometimes, if, out of sight, out of mind, if they're not in pain, why come in to see a chiropractor? And that's understandable, but the research does support a little bit of maintenance really helps to avoid 2 weeks worth of bad back pain during the year. So it is important. We believe that it's up to you, your goals. We always discuss it with you, the frequency of how often we think somebody should come in to get adjusted. For me, I know personally with my previous history of lower back issues, with my, with my very active lifestyle and with my, physical nature of my job, I like to get adjusted once every 2 weeks. For me, I find that that's a really good, frequency. Some people, they come in and they're maybe not as active. They're not playing any sports. They, work out, but they're not lifting, very intense. And they'll come in once a month, once every 2 months. So at about 6 to 12 visits on a yearly basis. And that really helps them to avoid any acute, bad, reactive flare-ups. Some people that have had previous injuries in the past that were pretty severe and have gotten back to a very high level of activity, or some of our, young tennis players that are playing 6-7 days a week for 5 hours a day and exercising. Sometimes they'll come in once a week, and that's not abnormal or too much, especially in time of need during that heightened season for them. So, based on your level of activity, it can be, someone who is coming in once or twice a week. That's not as often. Or someone that's coming in once every month to 2 months. So really once every 2 months is the furthest for anybody that we want to not see them. Once a month is, pretty supported to do that, for somebody that's very active, and then depends on your activity level if you need to come in any more often than that. But we've seen it, besides the research, we've seen it in our office where people, who do, have had injuries in the past and they're like, I'm just sick of having these flare-ups, and they finally say, okay, I'm gonna do some maintenance. And they start coming in for preventative care. They have a lot less flare-ups of severe pain. And that's one of the things you can do. It's a very a great thing to do. You don't wanna have to live on medication. We can help you to reduce the medication you're taking. We all know about the side effects of those. So if possible, it's great to reduce that. And that's one thing that maintenance care can do. So I hope that answers your questions about maintenance care. How often do I need to see a chiropractor, or especially a sports chiropractor? Because I can't speak for all chiropractors and what they do, but I know in our office, that's what we've seen, and we do a lot more than traditional chiropractors with, full body massage, then aligning the spine and aligning the joints too. So if you're not getting that, maybe you want to search for a sports chiropractor in your area. If you're in the South Florida area, we'd love to help you. If you're not, you can always comment below with your zip code, and we'll do some research and try to find somebody near you that's similar to what we do. So I hope that answers some questions. Dr. Rodman, have a great day.